Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. We are gonna continue the LeetCode series again. We'll be solving this remove duplicates from a sorted array question. The question number is 26. So what does the question say? Given an integer array num sorted in non-decreasing order, remove the duplicate in place such that each unique element appears only once. So we will be given an array which is sorted from non-decreasing order, and we will have to replace the duplicates from the array. So the relative order of the elements should be kept the same. So consider the number of unique elements in nums to be k. After removing duplicates, return the number of unique elements k. So what we will have to return is the number of unique elements in the array. So basically we have to count how many times a unique elements appear in the array. So for example, this array contains 1, 1 and 2. So the unique elements 1 comes 2 times. So we will count only 1 for element 1 and 2 comes 1 time. So this 1 time and this 1 time adds up to 2. So we have to return 2 over here. So it does not matter what we keep instead of the duplicates. As the explanation says, it does not matter what you leave behind the return k. So we will have to return only how many unique elements are there in the sorted array. So for example 2, this 0 will count as 1, so 1. This 1 count as 1, so 2. These two 2's count as 1, so 3. This 3's count as 1, so 4. And this 4 is 1 time, so that is 5. So that total unique elements are 5 after removing the duplicates. So that's what we have to return. So let's start with the code. So if the we will be removing the obvious cases first here. So if the num size is 0, then we will return 0. This is the obvious edge case in this question. So now we will initialize a variable that is int I equal to 0. We will run a for loop inside the array. So this is the for loop. So what we're gonna do is, if the two numbers are same, then we will if two numbers are not same, then we will increase the value of I, and at the end we will return I plus 1. So why I plus 1, that I will explain later. So if nums j is not equal to nums I, because we will only count unique elements, then we will return, not return, we will increase the value of I, and this is the important step, we will equalize both nums and nums j. So what we are doing here is we are replacing the indices 0. So we are replacing basically duplicates with this nums j over here. So we'll simply return I plus 1. Why I plus 1? Because we have initialized I with a 0, and we have already decided that this nums will not be empty. So if it's not empty, then it will contain at least one unique element. So we have initialized I with a 0, so we will return it with I plus 1. So let's check if our code is correct. Yes, so it accepts all the cases over here. So that was it for the video. Thanks for tuning in.